4 mug.
So it's like it's like a rack, and it stands tall, and then you just stack the mugs.
That's pretty cool. Where did you find it?
But I didn't really care for the mugs too much. That's why I didn't mind it.
Wait a minute. It's not grinding.
That's cool.
Yeah, I like it. Everything's tucked away. But it stopped grinding. I thought it just got stuff in there. Alright, let's try that again.
My last free maintenance for the truck.
For the truck? For 3 more years? You have to pay the maintenance now?
My last one.
Last one. There you go, finally.
I want to see if they have a. I was thinking about redesigning my design, because I know IKEA sells. They sell the what's it called? The drawers. Right. So I was thinking, I could just buy
those drawers.
Not the drawers themselves. I can make the drawers, but I can buy the
hardware.
The hardware, the rails.
Yeah, that's a good idea, because well, you just have to match their specifications, those holes and
that's
all the good stuff.
I mean, it's a fresh piece of wood, so I can put the hole anywhere I want. But because right now we don't have anywhere for the office stuff. The only thing is, maybe while you're making this coffee, I'll look it up. Because I went to Target and I went to Ross.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is what I was talking about. Look at the sauce dispenser.
Ooh.
So it's just a jar.
Yeah, that looks pretty cool. That's a lot of pumps. I see some of the cafe, they have like 10, 20 pumps.
Yeah, for all the different stuff.
Different flavors.
Yeah. But I mean, we probably only need 2. You know, one for.
I only have 2. One for vanilla and one for caramel.
Yeah.
And
this one is a 2-pack, but this is for mason jar.
I want to go to Daiso, but freaking Daiso's always packed.
I wouldn't mind going to Daiso, because actually, you know that what do you call it? That wood shop.
Wood shop, yeah, right
next door.
Yeah.
I was thinking about going there to get ideas. And maybe a hand planer.
Like
a
automatic?
like a manual.
Oh, manual.
Hand planer. I was checking at Home Depot. They sell them, but they don't have any. They don't actually have any in stock.
Yeah.
Except for the rasp planer that I already have, and the rasp planer is not really that great for what I want to use it for. I gotta apply for this job.
I like how this one is coming out really nicely.
This coffee.
Yeah.
You didn't even have to make any adjustments, right?
Your description is to make sure the one that's dripping looks like a honey
color.
Yeah.
Oh, so actually,
yeah, look
if
at that
you're
cream.
coming with me to Home Depot, oh, that looks good.
Yeah, that crema looks really good.
So I need to find a stain to match
That one.
that color.
Good luck. Oh, you know what? The doubleshot might have it. Because they deal with a lot of wood and stuff. They probably have steam.
Because this is kind of like the design that I was going for, like this.
Makes sure sense.
But instead of these, it's gonna go. It's an undermount that flips down.
Yeah.
So that's essentially like the design that I'm going for right here.
But with a different hardware.
Yeah.
Vanilla caramel.
I'll do vanilla.
Vanilla.
But when I was at when I was at Target, I saw a couple of desks there, and they had the drawers right underneath, and then I was like, why didn't I think of that? I don't know why I didn't think about that. I could have, designed it like that.
Just like that.
So now, since I still haven't finished building it, it's not too late.
Alright, try it if it's good. If it's not, I'll make a new one.
Let us not cold.
You still get the cream on top.
It's good.
Decent?
Yeah.
So the other one I think is more bitter because it's a dark, really, really dark roast.
Dark one? Yeah.
This one's, I don't know, it's but the dialing setting for the old one seems to match the new one, the new beans.
Rhea.
Rhea's there.
Yeah.
Here, Rhea.